Good morning. It's day 2 here in Lava Hot Springs. You ready for another day, Barney?
It's gonna be a beautiful day.
This is water, because we're sobering up. Come on, don't show my license plate though. There's perverts on the internet.
Feel that rhythm, feel it deep as he dives into the unknown. Adam's groove will make you move. You'll never feel alone. Adam's cool and he's hip. He'll take you on a trip, the paranormal Polynesian. Whether spooky or fun, or a tale he has fun, the paranormal Polynesian. Neon lights or abandoned sites, we'll find our way all around the world. Adam likes to twirl.
All right, we're here at the grocery store. We're getting stuff for our barbecue tonight, so we forgot to get steaks, so we need to get some steaks. I'm gonna try this new recipe for a salad, so you guys are gonna come join me. We're gonna see if it turns out. I need to find some cheese now. Okay, we got all of our we're out of here. Let's go. This picturesque mountain town. Isn't this beautiful? Do you want to retire here? I do. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Just this view every day. You want to say hi? Say hi on my video? Hey! Oh, don't get hit by a car though. This is my niece right here. She's my youngest niece. Look, there's that haunted hospital. Should we stay there tonight?
Worked out well.
Okay. Just found this little grill. Let's see if this is gonna cook. Ooh, a sad little barbecue. Huh? What are these little cuties over here? Oh, we're at the Alpaca Inn. We've stayed here before, you guys. There's the owners here have an alpaca farm, I believe, or something. It's an alpaca themed hotel. Super cute. This is where we do our reunions. Okay, today we're gonna make a Mexican street corn salad, pasta salad. Doesn't that sound delicious? I've never made this. I just saw it on a YouTube video and I don't really remember everything she put in it, but we're gonna just make my own version right now. So first things first, boil some water. In my case, we don't have a pan, so I have 2 pans. Here's our corn, by the way. It took an hour to cook on that sad little grill, but that's okay. Got some good color. I'm gonna use some penne pasta. You could use rigatoni, you could use a bow tie. A bow tie would be nice. So we're gonna boil this pasta and then drain it, cool it down a little bit, and we'll come back. Okay, I took the corn and cut them into this pan, added some little bit of butter, some tahini, and we're gonna empty this into the pasta and mix it together. It's very weird having a kitchen you don't know where anything is, but it'll work. Just kind of mix this. Add a little olive oil in with the noodles so they don't stick, or some butter. And then I'm just gonna stick this in the freezer for about 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes to cool it down. And then we'll add the mayo, the cilantro, some tomatoes, some cheese, and lime. Okay, I pulled out the rest of the stuff we need to use. We're gonna put like a cup of mayo, a cup of this stuff here, or sour cream. I've got some cilantro, some limes. I'm gonna cut up some tomatoes from the garden. And this cotija cheese. This is the wrong one though. You wanna get the block and break it up yourself. This is way too small, but it's what we have. We're gonna mix this all together. Oh, don't forget to sprinkle the tomatoes with this when you cut them up. We're gonna cut these up, sprinkle it with this. Delicious. Also, I lied, do at least 2 cups of the mayo, because this is a lot. Yeah, I want it more mayo-y than sour creamy. Yeah, go for it. Also, can you tell me what the is this bowl? Honestly, PK. I hate it. Okay, I'm just gonna garnish the salad with some limes. And everyone can squeeze one in if they want. and some cilantro. Put a little more tahini. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? You could put eggs in here, avocado. I hate avocado. You could do eggs, avocado. You could do some cheese, some like, no, don't chew cheese. Don't get crazy. Okay, here we are all done. And also don't be a dip like me and forget to save some of the corn to put on top, because then people are going to be like, what the f is this salad? It's a lime salad? Like, you can't tell what it is. So now I'm going to have to tell everyone. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be good. Oh, don't forget the jalapenos. I just cut them up and put them around the edge of the bowl. So that way if people don't want them, they can pick them out. But I feel like it's going to make it even more delicious. Barney also loves the pasta salad. And he doesn't love pasta salad easily. Okay, here we go. Very fresh. There's a lot of lime. The cheese is very cheesy. Mayo, the pasta. It could use more corn. And I don't know what else. I could probably put a little more salt. I don't know. I kind of like it a lot. I've never made it. I don't know if I'll make it again, but let's see if anyone else likes it. Okay, it's me from the future. I forgot to film the rest of that video because I don't know if you could tell, but I was very, very drunk at the time of this recipe. But I think people at the family reunion liked the salad. They all said they liked it. But you know how sometimes people are nice. So I'm not sure. I thought it was pretty good. Like I said, I would have maybe used even more corn. Definitely the block of cheese that you crumble up, you want the bigger pieces. And then I think it would be really good with shrimp. Doesn't that sound good? Like grilled lime shrimp. Or even like shrimp fajitas and then just use that as a side. It would be delish. Trust me, I know food, okay? Because I eat it constantly. But anyway, I hope you try this recipe out. And I hope you enjoyed coming along with me to Idaho. So I will see you soon. Have a great week. And until next time, remember, keep it paranormal.
Grooving under stars in quirky little bars. It's a show.
A show.
From coastlines to the peaks, every story speaks. Let it flow.
Let it flow. Feel that rhythm, feel it deep as he dives into the unknown. Adam's groove will make you move. You'll never feel alone. Adam's cool and he's hip. He'll take you on a trip, the paranormal Polynesian. Whether spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun, the paranormal Polynesian.
Neon lights or abandoned sites, we'll find our way.
Our way,
All around the world, Adam likes to twirl.
Come what may,
what may,
And when the fun is through, here's what you can do.
play one more episode.
He has hundreds.
travel fun for everyone, travel fun for everyone. The paranormal Polynesian. Adam's cool and he's taking you on a trip. The paranormal Polynesian.
Oh no, where you'll find
The spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun. The paranormal